All right, last few days now, meteorologist Ray Petelin's been talking about a big change coming in the weather. It's on our doorstep tonight, right?
It's coming. It's back in western Ohio right now, and this is going to continue to work towards us. Right now, we still have the warmer setup. That's why many of our temperatures are still in the 40s and still touching 50 in a couple cases. But we have this low that's going to be moving, and that's going to drag down those colder winds, bringing some snow to our area. Right now, that's up in northwest Ohio, out towards Toledo, and will eventually be trying to work towards us. I'm getting this out of the way right now. If you want to know how much, well, this is what we're looking at. Tonight into tomorrow, really nothing. We've been very warm leading up to this. We've had some sunshine leading up to this, so there's a lot of energy in the ground. And that means that this snow is going to likely melt on contact. So the first batch, we're not really looking at any accumulations. You might get a very brief coating up into the ridges, but that's about it. Now there's a second system that's coming through, this clipper on Sunday. That's going to start impacting us Sunday afternoon. This could give us a very brief coating, but that's going to pretty much melt on contact for Pittsburgh as well. And I think these numbers are a little inflated up to the north, but once you get towards I-80, this is where you could see a coating, maybe a coating up to an inch or so into the ridges. But we're not looking at big snow in any case here from these systems as they work through. FUTURECAST shows that by the time we're at 5 a.m., we have this rain starting to mix with some snow in the ridges and starting to mix with some snow right along I-79. This is where that colder air is starting to work in. And watch as we click towards the next time frame. You can see most of this is focused up in the ridges. So if we get one of those little brief coatings with this early tomorrow morning, that's where we'd likely see it. But everything else is moving through very quickly, and then we're going to see a mainly cloudy day. So the snow and the rain that we're going to anticipate for tomorrow is mainly early. The afternoon's looking fairly quiet. The overnight into early Sunday morning is looking pretty quiet, aside from maybe a flurry. And then into Sunday, this is where we're watching some snow early in the morning, and by game time for the Steelers game, we're going to be seeing some snow and rain trying to lift into the area. Now, this is where we could get that coating up to the north. You can see that's where the snow is favoring the initial passage here, and then it starts to favor the ridges. But we get this little warm punch of air that's going to take our temperatures to a real borderline spot here for Pittsburgh, and that is going to keep accumulations down as well. Into early Monday, a few areas of light snow. That will move on, and then we're going to start to warm it up next week. So tonight's temperatures down into the mid-30s. This is with that snow. Tomorrow, temps top off low 40s. That's about as good as it gets. Some spots might not even get out of the 30s during the daytime. So a much colder setup to get us into the weekend, and both weekend days are looking like this. And watch what happens through the forecast, though. Our temperatures bounce back big time. Wednesday, we're going back towards 60 degrees. So tonight, one of the cooler ones, 35 degrees. Rain, that's going to transition to snow. Tomorrow, 41 degrees, that early rain and snow, and then we're going to have that mostly cloudy afternoon. We get another batch of rain and snow for Sunday. Monday, anything that's left over will finish up in the morning. Then we'll have mostly cloudy skies turning partly cloudy for Tuesday, highs near 60 on Wednesday, and then temperatures start dipping again Thursday and Friday of next week.